Welcome back. 100 words for 100 days. Today's expression we are going to learn is out of the blue. Let's get started. I'm Ithaya. This is a literary taste. Out of the blue. What does it mean? As usual, I'm gonna give you an example. Let's guess it. One day, out of the blue, she announced that she was leaving me. I hope you have guessed it. If, well, if something happens out of the blue, it means it's really unexpected, immediately, instantly, suddenly, திடீர்னு எதிர்பாராத விதமாக நடந்துருச்சு. For example, you can say, one of them wrote us out of the blue several years later. Or, one night, out of the blue, he knocked on my door. For better understanding, let's watch it.
What about when people say, I got a call the other day out of the blue? All calls are out of the blue. Okay, there's no pre-call.
I hope you have got along this word very well right now. I will meet you next video with new word. Till then,